Now we have to find monthly sales analysis for calculate the profit for each month to identify the month with the highest sales. Create a chart to represent this data using the order sheet. Let's get back to our Excel file. Now we will again select this data and create a new pivot table, and location will be this cell. Let's copy the title, monthly sales analysis. So we have to calculate monthly sales analysis. We have to calculate the profit for each month. So profit will be in values well column, and in date we have to also we will remove this date and day, so we will get our months. And now we have to create visualization for this. Again, insert new bar chart. So this is our, you can say, in our time series data, it is good to add line chart. So we will create line chart. Also, since there is a single, you can say single line, so we will remove this legend and add access titles. Okay, so our title is answer. Monthly sales and analysis. Months, and this is our profit. Let's check, we have to order it also with the highest. Okay, so we have to order in this highest sales. For that we will do in descending order to sum profit. Here you can see we get our highest sale to the left and lowest sale to the right.